Want to know how you can get really good at art fast whenever you're a beginner or more advanced in art? I've got some game-changing art tips that will, make you improve fast. So I've been drawing for a while and, I've made a decent progress and I'm just sharing all the stuff that I know with you. So now you can make a lot of progress fast. So we've all been there, okay? You have this perfect drawing, you have this, idea in your head of a perfect drawing and you want to put it onto canvas and you fail. Okay, you can really do that. You can put that into canvas and it's frustrating, isn't it? And every artist probably can relate to that. They want to be able to have those skills, okay, to be at that level where they can express themselves freely. And luckily I found a couple of methods throughout my journey of drawing, I guess, where I found stuff that actually helped me, get better. I'm not at the point yet where I want to, be, but I see that I'm getting there much faster than I was, even a year ago. So now let's dive into the stuff that will help you speedrun to your, dream level of art. And I wish I knew that sooner, those tips, okay? I would make so much progress, but I guess we're here. So this one, the first one is no brainer, okay? It's drawing every day, okay? You saw that coming. And it helps you with being consistent and it builds a strong habit. And now in the time of needs, okay, when you don't have motivation, then when you are depressed, you'll still pick up the pencil and start drawing. So we want that, okay? And it doesn't need much. You need like 10 to 15 minutes a day to build that habit. And then you can, compound on that. You can build on that and go to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 12 hours, however you want, okay? But just start small or start, at the level you're comfortable with, that that you, do that daily, okay? You can even pick a pencil and just draw a line, I guess. Actually, if you're struggling with productivity, I have a video on that, okay? So you can go watch that, and I think a couple of them actually, so I can link them. Now, the next one is practicing daily, okay? You want to draw every day, and you also want to practice every day, to improve your skills. And now, for me, there are two types of studying, types of practice. The first one is time practice, okay? You just, there's a lot of apps. I have a video about that, but you take a picture and you set yourself a time, 30 seconds, 5 minutes or whatever. And you try to, quickly try to replicate it, obviously with thinking and stuff. And what it does is basically, because of the time crunch, you focus on the important stuff, okay? So for example, a shape, a gesture or something, okay? Whatever you're studying right now. And yeah, that's the point of time practice. Now, the other ones are, the full studies. So what you can do is, you want to study a picture, okay? A real life picture, photo, okay? You can do that if you're studying whatever. And you can also take someone's art and try to study that, okay? And what I do for that is basically I first, have a reference, I try to draw it. Then I just compare it, okay? I then trace and, do more in-depth, I guess, studying with, color picking and stuff, knowing, making even notes. I recently started doing that, making notes on what to improve. And then I just try to do that again without tracing, just as I did the first time. And yeah, it works great. You don't really set time for that. I mean, you can 30 minutes, 1 hour or whatever you need. In that time, just think about why did, the artist, maybe you're studying an artist, why did he put a stroke here, okay? Why is this shape here and stuff? Yeah, just think about stuff. Next one is drawing with reference. I can't stress enough how important it is to always drawing from reference, okay? Maybe you don't really know how the subject looks, okay? And if you're, not familiar with that, you're at disadvantage. So, just open up the picture of what you're drawing. Maybe it's, like a kangaroo or something. Just have a picture of that. And, with this, okay, with having a reference, you can, focus on, making the shapes appealing, making the drawing better. Also, it will save you a lot of time, okay? And, sweats and stuff. And for that, you can obviously use real life photos, okay? And I don't know, 3D. I use 3D And you can also use others' art to get inspiration, okay? Don't like copy it. So the next one is planning your drawings and your studies, okay? And it's really crucial. So knowing what you'll be studying, what you'll be drawing is really crucial, okay? It saves you a lot of your precious time and a lot of nerves again. It also eliminates, you know, excuses. So you won't like, I don't know, like don't really pick up a pen like me sometimes, and it will make you more focused. And going in with a plan can, you know, help to increase the quality of your work. And at the end of, I don't know, each week, each day, plan your next week, next day, okay? Plan what you'll be studying or what you'll be drawing. And for drawing, I actually have like a to-do list, okay? I've talked about it a lot of times. There are probably videos about that, but basically it's a list of characters I want to draw. Okay, you can add there like characters plus poses plus mood plus, you know, all the stuff. Okay, to just prepare yourself for knowing what to draw when the time strikes. But now how to decide what to study? And there is the next one. So now you need balance. Okay, balance between drawing for just the sake of drawing for fun, or drawing for improvement, for practice, for studying. Okay, you need to strike a balance, and a good rule for that is basically 50-50. So how much you put into, I don't know, let's say drawing for yourself, put the same amount into practicing. So maybe it's hour to hour, 15 minutes to 15 minutes. I don't know, maybe you can even put like, I don't know, like if you don't have much time, okay, 30 minutes today for drawing for yourself and 30 minutes tomorrow for practicing. You can do that. And I saw this on Drawbox. That's where I got this from. And drawing for your enjoyment, drawing for fun, will actually help you spot the mistakes that you know, that your weak points, I guess. And with that, you can put into plans, into your planning, okay, what you need to improve. And that's basically that. And also by just practicing, okay, you're, I don't know, you don't really know what to improve, okay, because you're, I don't know, practicing and stuff. And if you're just drawing, you see at your drawing, at your art, and you see where it's garbage and needs to improvement, okay? So that's how I do it. So basically you need the balance of those two. So one shows you where you need to improve, and the other one helps you improve that spots. So, you know, you need the balance of these two, okay? And actually, bonus tip is to actually, you know, try to enrich your, you know, library, your knowledge by, I don't know, reading books, watching tutorials, or reading stuff online. Okay, watching like, I don't know, like tutorials, Pinterest stuff, and even like, I don't know, time lapses of art. Okay, I see that they all those stuff gave me massive insight into, you know, like the progress, the process and stuff to actually become better, and they will actually further enhance your drawing. So use that. Okay, and there's a couple of books that I read recently, and actually those books, those, I don't know, like tutorials, doesn't have to be art related. Okay. Maybe you can watch Andrew Huberman, and maybe you can, I don't know, like watch books about business or watch books about productivity. Okay, like there's a lot of stuff that can help you. So those are the things that I do to improve my art fast. Now you can leave in the comments, you know, the stuff that you want to watch next. And if you enjoyed this, you can obviously join my Patreon, okay, for monthly tutorials, for my brushes, they're free. And yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and watch my social medias to see my drawings. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. To the next.